couple of things before. We're going to talk about directions and we're going to talk about control. Okay, don't judge me. Hear me out. Okay, so at this moment or age in your life, assuming we're all adults and grown-ups here, we should know where we're going. What do we want to accomplish in life? At least where do we wish to go? Okay, yeah, it's very clear. You know where you want to go. If you don't have a clue where you want to go at this time, I find it odd. But most of us, the norm, in this age, you should know where you want to go. You should be clear. However, I know that most people, they don't necessarily take the proper actions to lead them in the direction they want to reach, to their desired outcome or destination. And if you're not living on a selected agenda that will lead you to your goals, I've got news for you. It's not going to happen randomly. So there is the part that you need to have clarity on the direction so you know where you want to go. But on the other hand, with no action, you have zero chance to get anywhere on that direction. It's that simple. Unless you take the proper action, you could be very busy, but unproductively. So busy doesn't mean you're occupied or you're watching random TikToks or videos or whatever. It's not necessarily busy toward your goal. So you have to be specific on what are the actions you're taking toward your goal. And most of our society, our population, I'm not going to pick one, we somehow think if there is another president leading the country, life will get better. If the price gas, the gas price will go down, life will be better. Can I tell you something? If all your relatives and family members, I know you got some negative people like mine in your family, I'm talking about the extended family. If they all turn into positive people tomorrow, you know what's going to happen to your life? Not much. You know, if the blue guy, the orange guy, the purple guy, whatever is in the White House, what's going to happen to your life? Not much. You know, if it's too hot or too cold tomorrow, what's going to happen to your life? Not much. You know, if you change channels, subscriptions, or whatever in your life, nothing is going to happen. The usual. Sadly, most people think miraculously they're going to wake up one day and some change is going to happen that will take them where they want to go. Not so wise. If you want to get where you want to go, you have to take control. Be in charge of that direction. It's like our DNA. The recipe to success is unique to all of us. Your recipe is not like mine. Gotta have your own. Gotta have your own. Because you're not going to be me. I'm not going to be you. New satellite launches to space. What's going to happen to your life tomorrow? Not much. New movie comes up. What's going to happen to your life? Not much. New gadget invented? Not much. New company comes up, they sell a good product, it's going to happen to your life. Not much. They make a product, they put a good price on it, they sell it to you. You know what you mean to them? How much they care about you? Not much. Care about their pocket, their wallet, their bank account, their fame, and so on. So here's what I want to share with you tonight. All this has been the norm for ages and for decades, for centuries, until this company called ONPASSIVE came that changed the dynamic. We do care, and we have a major effect in your life. If you take us serious as we're taking your life and your future, so much can happen to you. But if you don't take any action, what's going to happen to you? We have an incredible company. What's going to happen to you? Not much. So it's a two-way street. We've got an incredible vehicle for your success. Truly, we are a beacon of hope for humanity. Truly. Go everywhere you want. You're going to be depressed. You're going to be doomed and gloomed, and you're probably not going to feel that good about the future. You come to ONPASSIVE, we have so much hope. Why? Because we're doing it differently. We're doing it cleanly. I'm going to give you the evidence why we're doing that. My name is Mufareh, and I helped, just like you, founding the great company called ONPASSIVE. Without the names, we know them. All of you put a good part in this, and I appreciate that. And generations should thank you for that. You helped this coming. If we're typical, despite all the heat and the hate that is thrown at the Mufareh family every day, we're pushing toward your benefit and to give you the value. We could simply seize the fight by saying, you know what? This is the Mufareh company. Have a good life. No worry. $97 is deposited back, returned to you. Don't worry about that. Okay? We own the company. Anybody got a problem with that? Here's the irony. The fight for us, and I'm not just saying my family and I, but also the big people, my business partners, as you know, the executives on the company side, and the many incredible leaders around the globe, practically in every country. The fight is to give. The fight is to correct the corruption. The fight is not to get the fame or just to pocket money. If we want to pocket money, okay, I don't have to give you a commission. I don't have to share this with you. I get the product. I go put a label on them and call them, I know we're on YouTube, but let's call them something